Welcome to Astro Rahu channel English. I'm your host Vishal Sathe. Today we are going to discuss for the Libra ascendant what happens when Sun is in the second house in the sign of Scorpio. If you want to watch this episode in Hindi, go to Astro Rahu Hindi. And if you want to learn about the identification and benefits of Ayurvedic herbs, then I run a channel, health channel. Go and watch that. So for the Libra ascendant, if Sun is placed in the second house in Scorpio, I have seen two scenarios. Here the Sun rules the 11th house and is in the second house in the karmic sign of Scorpio. Sun, wherever it is placed in the horoscope, it represents the ego of the individual. And in that particular house, the individual demands that he should get everything related to that house, because Sun is the king, and Sun, by his natural nature, he demands that he should get all those things associated to the house very easily, because it is his right, natural right. So here, Sun being placed in the second house, the person feels that it is his right to have proper financial security in terms of hoarded wealth, and it is his right that there should be a lot of savings to feel him secure in life. But the thing is that here Sun is in the karmic sign of Scorpio, and Scorpio represents fear, it represents insecurity, it represents deceptiveness and paying off the karmic backlog. So many a times there might be two scenarios over here. Number one, the individual in whose horoscope this placement is there, he might be unnecessarily too possessive and deceptive about the hoarded wealth, and his feelings might be unjustified, because his nature could be bad. This could be one thing, or the second thing could be that the financial insecurity felt or the karmicness felt by the individual is actually due to some of the things that happen, either due to the father, either loss in hoarded wealth due to the father, because here the planet concerned is Sun, or the loss of financial hoarded wealth is somehow due to the elder sibling, because Sun here rules the 11th house, and due to that event the person feels that karmicness, and due to that this correct the justified feeling of the individual due to such happening, this placement is in his horoscope. So I have seen both these scenarios. So if we talk about the correct feelings of the individual, then this might happen that somehow the father might get very ill, and due to that there might be a lot of expenses in hospital and medical treatment of the father, and due to that a lot of loss of family hoarded wealth, loss of family savings might occur. Number one, this might happen, such scenarios might happen through the father. Or I have seen many a times that the elder sibling, in some cases I have seen that his nature is not nice, and he is a bit deceptive, and he tries to get control of all the resources of the family. or some in a few horoscopes I have seen that the younger sibling who behaves like the elder sibling many a times is deceptive, and he tries to get control of the savings of family savings, and due to that this individual feels that he is facing this loss through the elder sibling or through the younger sibling who behaves like his elder sibling. So these were my observations on this placement, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to Astro Rahu channel as yet, go and subscribe to it. This is Vishal Sathe signing off for now. Bye.